Hello, world. So apparently it's time for something to smile about. Some wacky sports. Neville and I are going to play off with javelin. This is our javelin. And we're going to have shot put.
Frisbee.
Oh, jeez. Oh, my God. Shot put. There is water in this, you know. So why we can't play another game with these? See? And then the discus. Frisbees. Pot cover. All right. So we're going to start. Master Brian.
Yes, with your throw in there.
Where is the marker?
Right here, sir.
Right there.
Yes, you don't pass that.
All right. So you want me to go first?
You can go ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen. Don't move it to them.
I'm sorry, that was wind aided though.
Yes, you're right.
So that don't count.
You're right. I just showed me shoulder.
You have to be disqualified for that.
I just showed me shoulder. Oh, okay. Is that javelin here?
Huh?
I'm going. All right. Oh my.
So the winner is Neville.
Thank you very much. I just want to thank my mother and my father.
Wait, I trained it that way to come home. Come back to me. It's a boomerang.
Okay. What's the next one, sir?
All right, shot put.
I'll go first again.
All right.
And is the same line?
Play.
Huh?
The same line?
Yeah, man.
I have to throw it like a shot put. You
Yes.
can.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Is it the best of two?
Throw it what way?
Because we
Why?
have four balloons in there.
Eh?
Jeez. Sorry, Wally. Oh, gosh. All right. Wait, no, I don't flang it. Oh, you're celebrating.
You don't flang. See the line here.
Okay. Ready? My approach.
You can't show it, so you don't spot and I still beat you.
Barely.
I think everybody tried to tell you, say you need to go beat.
Wait, there are two more in there. Can we do best of two footage?
No.
Would I have time?
No, no more than today.
Say one more in there, two more in there. Ready?
Ready again, don't worry.
On the mark.
No, you can't do it, sir.
Get set.
Just like a shot put. Just like a shot put.
So,
Cradle.
Yeah, so it's my one. It's my one again.
Go on.
Wait no man. Yeah, go stop. Yeah!
That's right where I was. All right.
Well, you just mash up the whole of people, everything.
But we tie a while ago. See?
Last one. No.
All right, the winner in that is Neville.
Thank you.
Oh, is that
Some winner already.
You're cheating.
I'm watch your head with that one. Yeah.
Okay.
Hello? Hey.
No, hold on, sir. It's a discus, sir. It's not a frisbee.
So how you the discuss? Oh, really?
So,
Mash up the discus.
I need some advantage as a girl.
you cannot
I don't have your strength.
All right. Okay.
So I need to do it the right way.
Get advantage. Do your thing. All right. You won the discus.
Thank you. Now the last one is a bucket challenge.
No,
If I can fling it right past Simone's head.
No, we're done. No.
I have to try and fling it right on your head. Am I the winner?
You need the thing to defend yourself.
Am I the winner?
You know you ain't got to tell me that twice, right?
I'm the winner.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so never wins.
The medal
How the
ceremony.
thing go?
No, that's not how you do it. To the world.
Oh,
From the
thank
time
you.
you hear what you're saying,
Thank
both.
you very much.
You
So
can't-
you're not supposed to put it down.
Let me do it for you.
No, do it.
I will do it for you.
Oh, we're going to go for a break at the medal ceremony. Eternal Father, bless our land. Yeah, yeah. You can give me neck going break.